Good morning to all of you. So today in SST we are going to start with new chapter, our climate. Starting with climate, we should know that what is weather. So it is very common to get such type of a weather report on our smartphone these days very easily. So we can say that weather is the day-to-day condition which is changing, and the weather changes due to the change in air. And in a day, a weather can be rainy, sunny, windy, cloudy, or foggy. What is climate? The climate of a place depends on the change in the weather conditions, that is, for a very long period of time. To this, we can conclude that the weather can change within few minutes or in few hours, whereas climate takes very long time to change. Or we can say that weather changes in short period of time, whereas climate changes in long period of time. Seasons. Now we know that in India at some places the temperature is very low, and at some other place the temperature is very high. Also, in some places we see heavy rainfall, whereas in some places we see drought when there is no rainfall. Also, the food we eat and the clothes we wear is totally depend on the climate of the place where we are living. The three main seasons in India are winter, summer, and monsoon. Winters. Winter season starts from the middle of November month and continues till the end of February. December and January are the 2 months which are very cold in India. The nights are longer than days in winters. There are strong winds coming from the western side. These are called western disturbance. These western winds are followed by very cold weather and fog. The western disturbance causes light rainfall in plain areas and snowfall in northern mountains. During winters, the coastal areas, the areas near the sea, enjoys very pleasant weather. There is neither hot nor cold. But in the northern mountains it is very cold. The major part of India remains dry and chilled during winter season. But except for the coast of Tamil Nadu, there is still heavy rainfall during winters. Summers. The summer season starts in the month of March and continues till the end of June. It gets very hot in the month of May and June. In summers, the days are longer than the nights. Now, every part of India experiences hot and dry weather except for the northern mountains. The northern mountains are still chilled and snowy. The hot and dry winds that blow are called Lu.